Hi, welcome to SpaceX. Here we are in the lobby. I mean, the very early days, I'd have meetings with NASA and they'd be like, yeah, whatever, it's internet guy, PayPal, whatever. It's just some rich guy is gonna lose all his money and the rocket's not gonna work. Which is totally, fair. I mean, we hadn't proven anything, I hadn't proven anything.
In the early days, when SpaceX was first trying to get to orbit, they had a rocket called the Falcon 1, and they launched it 3 times. All 3 times were unsuccessful, and they had one more chance. The 4th flight of Falcon 1.
If it didn't work, then SpaceX would have gone bankrupt and we would not be around.
Space separation confirmed.
Fortunately, Flight 4 did work.
The Falcon 1 rocket was a success. In 2008, SpaceX landed their first NASA contract. SpaceX was now officially in the space game.
NASA awarded contracts to SpaceX and then Orbital Sciences to fly cargo and supplies to the International Space Station.
NASA brought capital to the company at a time when it was absolutely critical for us.
Behind me is where Falcon 9 would sit during launch. And the big transformation that's going to occur over the next few months is the construction of the launch mount. With NASA, we kind of initially got onto the Maverick section, or the highly unlikely to succeed, but we'll take a chance on them. But we were definitely not considered the A-team, let me put it that way.
Under contracts with NASA, SpaceX has flown multiple cargo resupply missions to the International Space Station. But flying cargo was never the end game for SpaceX. Their goal has always been to fly people. It was the company's success with these prior programs that gave NASA the confidence to hire SpaceX to fly their astronauts for the Commercial Crew Program.
We've had a long and very productive working relationship with NASA over time, gradually building up from these guys have no chance to, over the course of now 18 years, to the point where NASA has enough confidence that they're going to launch astronauts on the SpaceX vehicle. So it's a great honor.